Okay, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are here for the practice of the group discussion. The first task of your GTU. Got it? Yes. There you will be given two topics. To select one of the topic for your discussion. Among your group members, you will decide on which topic you want to have your discussion. Got it? Yes. Here also I will give you the two choice. Select one of the choice and then you have to discuss on that topic for the next few minutes. There is no fixed limit or fixed time of this discussion. This will last as much as I want or as much as you are having the capability. Got it? Yes, sir. This is a discussion, not debate. So try to cooperate among your group members. And while giving your points, try to have eye contact with all of your group members. Got it? Yes, sir. Okay, the topic is India is increasingly being seen to be aligned with USA in the recent times. In your opinion, what will be the major impact due to this alignment? Lead number 1, military modernization. Lead number 2, science and technology. Lead number 3, foreign policy. Okay, I am repeating the topic. India is increasingly being seen to be aligned with USA in the recent times. In your opinion, what will be the major impact due to this alignment? And the leads are military modernization, science and technology, foreign policy. All okay?
Yes, sir.
30 seconds for your brainstorming, then after your discussion will start. Okay, start.
So friends, nobody is permanent friend or permanent enemy, but interest is permanent. So friends, the topic which is given to us why India is aligning towards the USA. And I think it is because the foreign policy of India, because in the foreign policy of India, India is a country which is being having a good relation with all the countries in the world.
I agree with the gentleman. Indian foreign policy is increasing day by day, and in the past years, it increased drastically.
HS number 163 had mentioned since India is want to counterattack the China, so India is also having alignment with USA at global forum. So I would also like to mention some groups at global level such as Quad and AUKUS. So in Quad and AUKUS, India is having assistance of USA, and in this way India will be able to tackle the China.
I would like to add to chess number 268 because even empowerment of military also comes under development of science and tech, and India is making its relation with US in development of science and tech. Recently, we have seen that
no war can be
Prime Minister
won without diplomacy, and diplomacy plays a key role in India and China and US relationships too. Because if India is going towards USA, it will give power to us to counter China. And as we all know that China have a policy of land acquiring. And this is how we can tackle China in any field.
If we don't have any military assistance, then we cannot tackle the military of China, because we have seen the ISA, which is industrial security and
Foreign diplomacy plays a key role in exchanging the secret agencies also, like RAW and CIA.
So friends, talking about the foreign policy of India, it also focuses on the defense and also focusing on science and technology. So if we are having a good relation with USA, then there will be a sharing of technology in defense sector, and we will be able to manufacture the defense components which are being imported by the USA, and we will be able to have that technology by which USA is manufacturing those.
In the recent times that China's submarine is much better than ours. We are collaborating with Maldives. That India out has been major campaign, and in the we talk
At chest number 163 has mentioned about the Malacca state, since 80% of oil trade is being done by the Malacca state, and China is having a very growing interest in that area, Indo-Pacific region. So India is coming with other major countries which are at the shore of Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, such as Australia, Japan and USA. So India is focusing on maintaining very good relations. As I had already mentioned about the groups such as Quad and AUKUS. So if India will have good relation with the USA, then we will be able to counterattack China in that region.
Using their naval bases, like
collaborating with some
At chest number 163 and 76 has mentioned that USA cannot be a permanent friend, but since we are depending on USA and we are having good relation, because we also have to satisfy our interest. If you talk about some aspect, then USA is a developed country, and talking about the technology and defense technology which USA have, so we are in need of that. Since we are developing country, then we need some of aspects of USA, and we also have to tackle the China, and since these are the areas why we are having good relation with USA. So this is temporary thing, and we should also satisfy our interest.
That is why India is collaborating with the enemy nations.
and they have
At chest number 76 has mentioned about space technology, then USA is also having a very very friendly relation with India, and it has also give its satellites to be launched by the Indian vehicles, and it is also agreed with India that it will help to set up a.
Producer of
Indian foreign policy is very
Oil
much
And
and
friends,
important
I would also
because
like to
Indian-
highlight one point that USA has always supported India on international forums. I would like to mention that USA has also taken part towards India when India has gone towards the
I completely agree with
gone
that.
in the United Nations. It has asked about
Indian
terrorism in the
foreign policy
Pakistan.
is not good.
So at that time, USA has always supported India, and it has also fought for India having a permanent veto in the United Nations.
The diplomacy of Pannu has been a major threat.
I slightly have some
Russia
different
and
opinion
what happens
with regard to chess number
when
148. As we
US put
mentioned,
sanctions on
USA has
Russia
always
and-
supported India. But if we talk
and
about
try to stop India
1971 war
from
between India and
buying
Pakistan,
their
when
petrol and
Bangladesh
gases.
got liberated
But
from
Indian foreign
Pakistan,
policy
that time
stood strong and-
USA was supporting Pakistan, and
The discussion was not up to the mark. Still, many points were left behind. Why you have not participated? 136. You are not having the content on the topic? You must have. This is one of the hot topic, Indo-US relation. For your lecturate, for your group discussion in upcoming SSBs. "49. What about you? You have participated once in the starting and once in the end of the discussion. बीच में कहाँ थे आप? Lack of content. सर कंटेंट बनेगा कैसे? कोई शॉर्टकट है उसका? The only thing which can help you is your resources, is your study, is your deep research about the topic. 36. You are a repeater of 4 FSB वाराणसी. सर अब पता चला कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट क्यों हो गए? देखो, गलतियां पता करना एक चीज़, उन पे काम करना दूसरी चीज़. जब तक ये दोनों नहीं होगा, रिजल्ट वही आएंगे जो पिछली बार भी आए थे. एक शब्द आपने नहीं बोला पूरे डिस्कशन में. You haven't speak a single word. Why? You're not having the content on the Indo-US.
I have,
But what? You're waiting for their turn. That they will give you, okay, chest number 36 haven't speak. Please let him speak. You're waiting for that?
no, sir.
So please help yourself. Then only I can help you. Okay, 76. Second entry in the discussion. Point was okay. Your lead was foreign policy. You can add on more thing in the foreign policy as well. Don't just beating around the bush. थोड़ा सा और स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट आप रख सकते थे फॉरेन पॉलिसी में. ओके, हाँ, लाइक फॉरेन पॉलिसी में ही आप इकोनॉमिक, अपने जो इकोनॉमिक उनके साथ रिलेशन है वो भी बता सकते थे. वी आर इन ट्रेड सरप्लस विद द यूएसए. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, while having the good foreign policy with the US, we are opening our doors to have a good foreign or good trade with the aligned nation of the USA. कर सकते थे. जो उनके अलाइन हैं आप उनके साथ भी जाके ट्रेड इजीली कर सकते हो अगर यूएसए के साथ हो तो. इसके अलावा बहुत सारे हम उनके साथ रिलेशन बहुत सारे ग्रुप में हैं, आप उसको ऐड बता सकते थे. नेटो पैसिफिक जैसी चीज़ें बनाने को बोल रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारी आप ऐसा बता सकते थे हमारी फॉरेन पॉलिसी इतनी अच्छी है इस वजह से. ओके, एक दो बार कॉपरेशन की कमी दिखी. अगर कोई बंदा नहीं बोला है और बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है, लेट हर स्पीक और लेट हिम स्पीक. ओके, 163. Third entry in the discussion, military modernization was your lead. Okay, to counter China and Pakistan. You talked about the MH Martin, you talked about the F-35, submarine advancement. Okay, Comcasa, Lemua. Content was okay, no issue. थोड़ा सा लीड करना सीख जाओ, ठीक है. एक बार जो मौका दिया 181 को, और भी मौके थे जो दे सकते थे. आप दे सकते थे 268 को, दे सकते थे सिर्फ 68 को. ओके, रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर ओके. 164. फिर ऐसा एक दो बार बोलने की कोशिश की है, वो भी इम्पैक्टफुल नहीं रह पाए. क्यों? कंटेंट की कमी. बोलते समय एक ही तरफ क्यों देखते हैं? कंटेंट सर कैसे बनेगा जब तक आप खुद नहीं पढ़ोगे? मैं एक क्लास में एक टॉपिक क्लियर करता हूँ, फ्रॉम 4 to 5। फिलहाल अभी वो क्लास मर्ज होके ही चल रहा है। आई होप 14 दिन में आपके पास 14 टॉपिक हों। ओके 148 we had started with the quote. Okay, foreign policy was your lead, includes both military modernization and science and technology, as you have said that foreign policy में ये दोनों चीज़ें अपने आप ही आ जाती हैं। ठीक है, हाँ, जैसे कि 163 ने कुछ स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट दिए थे, अगर आप उसको वो बोल सकते तो वेल एंड गुड, उससे थोड़ा और इम्पैक्ट होता। एक चीज़ अच्छा था कि आप किसी के भी पॉइंट को कैप्चर कर सकते हैं। कैसे? उसके चेस्ट नंबर को। ओके, चेस्ट नंबर 76 टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस पॉइंट और समथिंग। इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग आई एग्री विथ यू जेंटलमैन, आप ऐसे कुछ चीज़ें यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ट्राई टू लर्न दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स। ओके, एट द सेम टाइम थोड़ा सा डीप कंटेंट। ओके 181 आपने बोला था सर हम कर ले जाएंगे, कर नहीं पाए, क्यों? फैक्ट एंड फिगर थोड़ा बहुत कुछ तो आता होगा। आप जो मुद्दे पे बात कर रहे थे वो टॉपिक से हट के था। वी टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉन अलाइनमेंट मूवमेंट, वो यहाँ पे नहीं इंक्लूड होता। हाँ, ओके, इंडियन फॉरेन पॉलिसी। तो अभी फॉरेन पॉलिसी पे इम्पैक्ट क्या पड़ेगा, हम यूएस के साथ जाएंगे तो। ठीक है, हाँ, अगर उसके कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बताना चाहें कि हाँ उसके जाने से रसिया रूट सकता है हमारा, तो फिर नॉन अलाइनमेंट मूवमेंट आपका काम करेगा। ओके 268 साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, घूम फिर के 2 बार बोले, दोनों बार एक ही चीज़। हाँ, साइबर सिक्योरिटी पे आपने बात किया और क्या हम कर सकते थे फिर साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए। FDIs आते हैं अमेरिका से, जो मेजर कंपनीज जो चाइना में पड़ी हुई हैं वो यहाँ पे आएंगी, तो टेक्नोलॉजी में हमारे एडवांसमेंट होगा। चाहे गूगल हो, चाहे ट्विटर हो, चाहे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हो, एप्पल भी। गॉट इट? तो थोड़ा सा स्पेसिफिक होके बताते। हाल में ही किस मेजर कंपनी का आया है हमारे यहाँ? एप्पल का भी आया है, असेंबलिंग का। ओके, जस्ट अ सेकेंड सर। 68 एक दो बार बोला साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी। ओके, हाँ, यू आर हैविंग that voice, you are having that capability, you can hold the group, but you are not having the content on that topic. So said countered 163 that no, that not because of 76 को आपने काउंटर किया कि सिर्फ ट्रस्ट की वजह से यूएसए साथ नहीं है, इंटरेस्ट की वजह से है। ठीक है, क्योंकि पास्ट में हमारा कंपेनियन नहीं था, अभी है, कल को नहीं रहेगा जब उसका इंटरेस्ट खत्म हो जाएगा। तो उसमें साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी कहाँ है, आप स्पेसिफिक अपने लीड को डिफेंड करती। ओके, रेस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स अभी बहुत कंटेंट पे आपको काम करने की आवश्यकता है। आई होप कि नेक्स्ट जीडी में जब हम IR का कोई टॉपिक लेंगे आप पार्टिसिपेट अच्छे तरीके से कर पाएंगे। ओके, दैट्स ऑल फॉर द टुडे। रेस्ट वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द लेक्चरेट। गॉट इट? ओके, थैंक यू।